everyone, what is up you guys? So I'm done. I'm pretty much done when people say, like, ask me, "Kitna fuckti hai din mein? How many times do you smoke in a day? What's wrong with your lips?" I'm like, bro, I hate smoking. In a sense, I usually don't hate stuff, but yeah, I hate smoking. Hate it. I don't know, like the smell of it, the smoke, that makes me feel so uneasy. What happened with me was I was using this lipstick and I think it was manufactured like 3 years ago, and I think it crossed the expiry date. I applied it for a week, I think more than a week, and I started to notice my upper lip was becoming really tan, and also like on the angle, pigmentation, like dark, very deep. So I'm like, something's wrong with it. Something's wrong with the things that I'm using on my lips. So yeah, I just realized that maybe that was the reason my lips became tan, super tan. Super tan. It's my mistake, but yeah, okay. The damage is done now. Let's keep a check on what products you're using on your lips. Like keep a check on the expiry date, or whether it's dirty, clean working out. And I've made some things which I think are working pretty great for me. And I've been doing it for like 2 weeks, I guess, and it's working so pretty cool, and I'm seeing a change. I'm seeing a difference, and I'm so happy I cannot share with you all as well. I used to get up and brush my teeth, and after brushing my teeth, I used to take this scrub. This is the sugar honey scrub. This is only honey and sugar in it. And a little bit of olive oil. Lips with my fingers, or even if you want, you can take a baby toothbrush, soft bristles, so that you don't like tear them up. So just go in circular motions and do it for that while, and yeah. So after we're done with the scrub, the dead cells and the damaged skin, the dead skin would just get removed, and you'll feel like wow. So I've been actually like scrubbing my lips with a toothbrush since long, like really. I used to do it every day. After I'm done with the lip scrub, I take rose petals and I just scrub them all into it, just like get the deep pink pigment, whatever it's called, to just get incorporated into my lips. So I take that 4 petals and just keep scrubbing my lips with it. Wow, like it's such a natural pinkish, deep pinkish, like super perfect lipstick, to be honest. Like such a natural lipstick. Now with the applying the rose petals, I take olive oil and I'm gonna lock it up. Like I'm gonna just keep that pigment in. So that's the final step that I do. So I have been doing this thing 2 times in a day, morning and before sleeping. Lower lip is still better. Like it's pink, but the upper one is really dark. Like it's deep. Like why? Like I don't know. Yeah. So during the daytime, if I feel like my lips are drying, chapping or anything, I take olive oil again and apply it. It was like the basic thing that I was doing, like step by step, like morning and night as well. Also in between like 2-3 days, also at night, before doing this routine, I used to make lip mask. So I have like prepared like 2 masks, which I think are pretty great, like really good, like simple basic mask, lip mask. So I take honey and lemon and I'm just gonna mix it, and then I apply it. I keep it for a while and then I wash it off. Like that, I apply rose petals and olive oil. Like rose petals and olive oil just keep that thing like stick together. You have to put like olive oil. The another lip mask that I tried was turmeric, lemon and honey. Yes, I did not have lemon. I was not having lemon at my home, so I used tomato. So yeah, okay, use lemon if you have, but I had tomato, so I didn't use it. Yeah, for that mask. I only apply it for 5 minutes, I guess. Yeah, don't do it every day. Like do it alternate days. I think that's gonna work, pretty well for you. Lip scrub, doing this, rose petals, and this olive oil. Olive oil is such an amazing thing. Like I think I'm pretty much going to stick with olive oil for the rest of my life. Pretty much, getting used to apply oils on my lips and balms, but we do not always carry oils with us. We need balms as well. So for the lip balms, I have a list of balms which have SPF in it, and we should have SPF in our lip balm as well. First one is the Himalaya Orange lip balm, which I use. I genuinely love it. One we have is Palmer's Cocoa. This is also amazing. I've been trying out this for more than a week and I'm seeing visible difference. I'm so happy. I'm really happy. Like finally I don't have my lips back, like literally the lip sips back. Like I don't have them back, but yeah, they are getting better and I'm really really happy with that. That is all, you guys, and I'm sure after everything you're gonna do what I said in the video, you'll get your lips back. You'll get your lips, pinky, soft, baby lips, kissable. Your lips back. Before you sleep, you're washing your face, whatever you had on your face, doing this lip care, everything. You're going to see a difference. I'm pretty sure you guys are going to see a difference really soon. Be consistent whatever you're doing, and you'll take it like in 1 month of time, I guess. It will be perfect. It will be fine AF, like super fine. It will be better, I think. Anything anything good is better than nothing, like, isn't it? So yeah, you know, it's amazing. Go for it, you guys. Like, be consistent, and I'm sure you guys are gonna see the results really, really soon. And I hope it works out for you. All in the kitchen. It's all in the kitchen. Like, it's really all in the kitchen. Like, kitchen's got our back. Kitchen's, what is it? Who wrote the damn dictionary? If you guys are watching this video, make sure you press the like button below, and do not forget to. I'm not gonna sing today. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.